Welcome, my dear students. Today our subject is maths. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic of maths, and that is chapter number 15, the calendar. The calendar. Calendar is the record of all the dates and days of a year. It shows the months, weeks and days in the year. Calendar tells us major events during the year, number of working days, the number of holidays, and the days and the dates of each month. Children, there are many types of calendars. We are using the Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar has 12 months, 52 weeks, and typically has 365 days. So children, these are the 12 months of Gregorian calendar: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. And here you can see days of week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Children, the calendar of 2021 is given here. You can see that it is showing the months, weeks and days in the year. And one more thing that you may notice here, the dates of Sundays are marked in different color to indicate holiday. Sunday is holiday, as we all know. So in a calendar, the dates of Sunday are marked with different color. Months of a year. There are 12 months in a year. There are 7 months in a year which have 31 days. There are 4 months in a year which have 30 days. February is the only month which has 28 or 29 days. Children, there is an interesting trick to find out which month has how many days, and that is with the help of your knuckles. So children, let us see. These are the mounts of your knuckles, and the months of the mounts of the knuckles have 31 days. These are the falls of your knuckles, and the months on the falls of the knuckles have 30 days. Here is one thing to remember. Though February is on the falls of knuckles, it has 28 or 29 days. Now let's see how does this trick work. So children, let us find out the months on the knuckles. This is January, and January has 31 days as it is on the mount of knuckle. Next one. This is February. February has 28 or 29 days. It is on falls of knuckle. This is March, as it is on mount of our knuckles. It has 31 days. This is April. It is in falls of our knuckle, so 30 days. This is May. Again it is on mount of our knuckle, so it has 31 days. This is June. June has 30 days. This is July. July has 31 days as it is mount on our knuckles. On reaching the last mount, that is July, we will have to continue further counting from the first mount again from here. So this is August. August has 31 days. Next, this is September. As it is in falls of knuckles, it has 30 days. This is October. It has 31 days. This is November. It has 30 days. And last, this is December. It has 31 days. So, my dear student, Found it interesting? Yes, it is interesting to find out the days of every month. So children, normally February has 28 days. However, on a leap year, February gets an extra day, leap day, which is 29 February. Children, year 2021 is an ordinary year. Therefore, we have 28 days in February 2021. And the year 2020 is a leap year. Therefore, we have 29 days in February 2020. Okay. Children, have you ever wondered why does this happen? Why are there 365 days in an ordinary year and why there are 366 days in a leap year? There is a very interesting reason behind this question. Let us understand it. So children, this is the sun, this is earth and this is its orbit. So it takes 365 days and 6 hours for the earth to orbit the sun. That means we get extra 6 hours. So if we get extra 6 hours for 4 years, we actually have extra day. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 24 hours, that is one extra day. What is a leap year? A leap year has an extra day in the form of 29 February, which is called as a leap day. Now let us see what we have learned. There are 365 days in a year. There are 366 days in a leap year. The year which is exactly divisible by 4 is a leap year. It comes after every 4 years. 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020 are some of the leap years. The year in which the February month has 29 days is called a leap year. Now let's move further. Use the calendar of February shown below to answer the question. Here they had given us the calendar. We have to observe the calendar and answer the question. Now our first question is, what is the date on the third Saturday of February? So let us find out where is first Saturday. Yes, in Saturday we want third Saturday. So this is the first, second and third. So the date is 15/2/2020, which means 15th February 2020. Now next question. On which day does the month end? Means the last day of the month. We have to find out. Yes, it is 29. So we have to find out the day and it is Saturday. Next one. How many Sundays are there in the given calendar? Now find out the Sunday column. Count how many Sundays are there. Yes, there are 4 Sundays. What is the date on the 4th Sunday of February? Again we will go in Sunday column. We will find out the 4th Sunday and we'll find out the date. Which date is there? Yes, 23/2/2020. Let's see next one. Use the calendar of January shown below to answer the question. Now let us see. Again we have to observe the calendar and we have to answer to the asked question. So our first question is, how many Wednesdays does the month have? So first we will find out the Wednesday column. Yes. How many Wednesdays are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Next question. What is 26th January celebrated as? Yes, my dear students, we celebrate this day every year, 26th January. Do you remember why we celebrate this day? We celebrate it as what? Yes, we celebrate it as Republic Day. 26th January is a Republic Day. Let's see next one. Which is the day after 27th January? Yes, my dear student, they are asking us day after 27th January. So in the calendar, first we will search the date 27th January. Yes, we got it. And now we will search the day after 27th January. Which day is there after 27th January? Yes, it is Thursday. Now let's see next one. On which date does the second Saturday of the month fall? Come on, let's see the calendar. Saturday column. In the Saturday column, second Saturday, which date is there? Yes, we got it. The date is 9/1/2021, means 9th January 2021. Now let us see what is next. Some people's date of birth are given in the table below. Write how many years of age they complete this year on their birthdays. So now we have to find out the age completed by the given peoples. Now let us see first one. First one is Sarika. Her birth date is 18th July 2002. Now we have to find out this year she has completed how many years. So from the year 2020 we will minus the birth year of Sarika, that is 2002. So 2020 minus 2002 is 18. So Sarika has completed 18 years this year. Now let's see next one. Next one is Mohan. His birth date is 14th May 2020. Again we have to find out. So from 2020 minus 2000 we get 20 years. So Mohan has completed 20 years. Let's see next one. Next one is Ahmed. He was born on 1st February 2003. We have to find out his years. So again 2020 minus 2003. So we will get it as 17 years. So Ahmed has completed 17 years this year. Now moving on to the next one. Next is Makhan Singh. His birth date is 13th July 1977. Again we have to find out his age. So from the year 2020 we will subtract 1977. So the answer is 43. So Makhan Singh has completed 43 years this year. Thank you.